Hello, doctor. My name is Munay Bakkar. We're a group of three. There's also Lamis Harake and Adal Watfa. Okay, to tackle the first question, we start by dividing the question by following PICO. Our population is teens trying to quit smoking. Our intervention is cognitive behavior therapy, CBT. The comparison is nicotine replacement therapy, and the outcome is the effectiveness of the therapy.
This is Adele speaking. First, we open Medline and choose this one. We first search for quit smoking. It gave us smoking cessation as a mesh. We check the scope to see if it includes quitting smoking, which is what we want. We go back, click on it. Since there's nothing under it, we do not need to explode. We will not focus now to make sure we have enough articles and not to limit our search.
We choose all subheadings and then click continue.
Okay, this is Lamia speaking. So next, we will search for cognitive behavioral therapy. We found its mesh and also checked the scope to see if it included it, and we were satisfied with what we found. So we go back, click on it, and check if we found a tree under it. We did find stuff under it, so we exploded the mesh. So we also clicked on all the subheadings and we continued. Then we typed nicotine replacement therapy. Okay, but this time we did not find a mesh for it. So we clicked on tobacco use cessation devices and checked the scope. And we did indeed find nicotine replacement products as part of it. So we decided to go with it. After clicking on it, we also found that there is a tree under it and decided to explode the mesh.
Now we will combine the searches using the Boolean operator and. Then, since the question is talking about teenagers, we will limit the search to by age to adolescents. Ages 13 to 18. And since this is an EBM search and the question we are tackling is about therapy, we will add another limit from the clinical queries, which is therapy, and we will maximize sensitivity. Since we only got 8 articles in the results, which are these, we will no longer limit the clinical queries to specificity, because that will reduce the number of articles that we have.
Okay, and with this, we end the first question.